is from Grandma and Grandpa Serrano.
I wonder... Mama! Look at... Look at...
Let me see.
Over here.
Oh my gosh. Do you know what that stuff is?
What?
It's to bake cakes.
Oh.
Just like,
Cake mixes and cookie mixes in there.
just like Rhonda makes cakes at our house.
Let's find out what else there... What else are we on this side? Yeah.
Need help opening it?
She might.
I need your help to open it. I need... your... Mama, I think I... Look at!
That's from Grandma and Grandpa Serrano too.
Look at,
So it's
Mama!
like a cool cell phone almost.
Look at, Mama, look at, Daddy. Oh, look at.
Mm-hmm.
What are those?
Those are games for your new
Games?
toy.
For your Leapster?
Yeah, and look,
What's that?
even a tangled one. Even
That's a cool case to put your Leapster in.
It can hold your Leapster in games. So you take it in the car.
Really?
Did you see all that kitchen stuff back there in that box?
Yeah. Really, that my baby's still sleeping. She didn't know it was Christmas morning already. I'm making scram. Baking in the oven, it is lots of fun. Baking in the oven, it sure is lots and lots of fun. Baking in the oven, sure is lots and lots of fun.
You still have some more presents to open.
Yeah. But first,
Lift it up higher when you do that. Put the spoon up real high. No. There you go.
no, Billy! This is my cupcake. These are my cupcakes, Billy. These are just my cupcakes. The cupcakes are ready for breakfast. Cupcakes for Auntie Buddy. Mama. Mommy, Nathan and Natalie can play with all my toys now, but except this and this.
That doesn't sound very good, like you want to share.
Well,
You want to open the rest of your presents?
there's cupcakes.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Wait, which one would you like?
Blue.
Okay. Which one?
Okay.
Which one would you like?
I'm going to take the light pink one, thank you.
And I'll take the dark pink one. I wonder what I got on this side.
Do you know what that is?
What?
It's a beanbag.
A bean bag?
It's a
Like a chair, like we're moving around.
chair.
Like a chair, like me, like almost naked.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. So why did you put a bean bag here?
Santa put it there.
What?
Santa brought it.
Why?
I thought maybe you wanted a chair.
Watch TV in.
You can put it in your room, you can put it in the toy room, you can put it wherever you want.
I wonder, in my presents in it. If there's something in the box, probably gonna be a surprise.
Focus, kid.
Need help?
A little, it's a whacking. Yeah.
We're finished with the wrapping paper. I'll just help open the box.
Lift the box up. Mama, these are cute. Well, it's wrapping paper.
I didn't do that.
Oh, here it is. Okay, kiddo.
Tinkerbell Jammers!
Hmm.
And
Those are
look,
from
what are these?
Grandma and
Maybe
Grandpa's
Dora.
channel.
Mm-hmm. Maybe Dora jammies. Do you see Dora on them?
No. But do you see half princess?
Oh, maybe Princess.
Is that a robe?
I don't know. Look at
Who's that?
Olivia. Sorry.
Hmm.
Olivia. Olivia Iron. And look, what is this?
Let me see. Maybe it's your very own blanket.
It's like a very soft, warm Dora blanket.
Maybe you need to put your cupcakes back in the oven.
Okay. Can I take your cupcake, Mom?
Yes, Lily.
I ate mine.
In there. And I'll go get my other cupcake. Okay, Mama. May I take your order?
Do you want to open the rest of your presents?
What?
We still have
I've
green
got like
presents.
3 or
in the
4
tree,
presents
Kevin.
under there.
You say?
I don't know where you're going to put them.
I don't know. Maybe some in the toilet, some in my room? I really wonder what this could be. It could.
Did she open all the fun ones?
Yeah, she opened all the ones.
Bailey, don't look at
Oh, Kylan! Mama, look, it's Kylan!
Let me see. Are you stuck in your tree? Well, I can't see you.
Sweatshirt.
You're looking at it. Wow, that is a cool sweatshirt.
Aw. Now, got lots of cool presents.
you. 3 more. I
I'm
think.
gonna
4 more.
open this big present. I wonder what this could be. Not my big present. It deserves it. See what it is. See what it is, fat man. Can somebody?
You're good.
Mama! Look out!
Oh, is that a cool outfit? I like that.
That's a big present for such a little shirt.
Are you ready? Alright, 2 more. Or 3 more presents.
Ellie, you want to finish up your presents there? You sure like your Santa presents, huh?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm trying to clean up my kitchen floor. No! Ouch!
What?
Hey, Allie, here. Let's open these 3.
And then,
And that's all you got. And then you can play.
I think we'll put your kitchen in the toy room.
Right.
Allie. Allison, open your present.
Are you gonna? I don't want to make a video of me.
Okay.
I wonder what it is. I wonder. Look at.
Oh, Dora Boot sweatshirt.
Oh, we'll put it with my Carolina sweatshirt. And now, 2 more presents to go. I wonder what this is.
Froggy jammies.
Aw.
They're cute.
Put these over here. Mama, over here. 2 down, 1 to go. Mama!